Hey, I'm Razz. Welcome to Metal Manglers. Today we're going to talk about tools. I'm going to show you a solution to a problem you didn't even know you had. I didn't even know I needed this thing till I saw it. It's amazing. It's got a quick release setup to hold your die in the handle, and less than a quarter turn, less than an eighth of a turn, and it's in and out. It's an amazing improvement over the old style where it's retained by the screw and you got the little screwdriver, and then the screw works loose and next thing you know, oh yeah, you're chasing it. I hate that. I'm sure you do too. If you're working with a tap and die set, you're probably already in a bad mood because something didn't go right. So why add to that stress? Anything that'll help reduce that stress, I'm all for. You should be too. So the cool thing about this, like I said, is quick release, so you can have it in and out just as fast as you want. Then for the tap setup, they have two different jaw sets, a big one and a small one. They retain it just like a chuck on your drill, and it goes in this. It's shaped like a die, so it goes right in the same handle, locks in place, it's held securely. If you're in a tight spot and that handle can't get in there, then it's set up for a 3/8 drive ratchet or extension to get into a tight spot and get in and out, so you can get those threads taken care of. If you're brave, you can even use an electric impact or a driver to run that tap in and out. I haven't had very good luck with that. Every time I've tried that, I've snapped the tap off and then I cuss and say bad words and throw things. But it's a really neat way to go. The set is an improvement over past setups like the handles that come with the kit. Snap-on tried something to make it a little easier with these sockets. It'll retain the tap and you go on an extension just like that, but I haven't had very good luck with these. The taps will fall out and then falls on the floor and chips the end of your tap, or you lose it. It's a pain in the butt. So it's a really neat tool. I really like it a lot. I think it's something I'm going to use a lot, and I think that way it's a good tool for the money. Being Snap-on, it's not inexpensive, but it's a quality tool. This Snap-on did not provide this as a sample for us for review. It's something I bought with my own money because I think it's going to work out and something I'll use a lot. The Snap-on part number is TDRSET, so TDRSET. It retails for $169. You might get a better deal from your tool dealer, who knows? Or if you don't have a tool dealer, you can get it off their website. Like I said, this is not a sponsored review. It's just something I found and I thought you guys might find interesting. Brand new tool from Snap-on. Hopefully this is a tool you think you can use. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If there's other things you want to see us review in the future, of tool you think would be cool to review, let us know in the comments. If you have opinions on this tool, let us know in the comments. Please like and subscribe this video. It helps us a lot out with the YouTube algorithm. And tell your friends. We're trying to make this channel grow. I'm Razz. This is Metal Manglers.